Hey YouTube, I'm here back again with another review on a wig. This is actually called the Freetress Synthetic Hair Full Cap Drawstring Samara Girl. I got her in a F1B/32/360 in color. I actually got the wrong color because this is not the color that really looks good on me. It's got like these crazy red highlights. I mean, it probably would look good on somebody else, but I don't like them. But you see how red these colors are? It's a full cap. It's got, here, I'll take this off first. Okay, so it's a full cap. It's got these awesome band of I forget what you call these. Anyway, it's got these combs. Sorry, it's got these combs here in the front, and it's actually got the same combs on the bottom. If you can see that, it's got the combs in the bottom. I cut the tag. I hate when the tags are out. But and it's a full cap wig. I'm not really into full caps as much because of the bulk that's in the front. I wish that they were more like the lace fronts, where there's not a whole lot of bulk up in the front, and then you can just clip it on like this. I wish the lace fronts had these on them instead of those other little clips, maybe further back, that way they would stay better. But I do like, I saw one of the girls with this on one of the reviews, and I guess her color, I'll probably order this in a different color because the body of this hair is awesome. I mean, if you like full hair, this is it. I mean, it's full. I mean, it's big. I've seen some girls puff it out. Sorry, I got my fan on. Okay, so just taking my hair and putting it towards the front, but see, my hair is too light. Well, it's like a darker color than the red. There's a lot of red on the top. It does frame my face well. I might get this in another color and shorten it a little bit, like up to here or something, because it's too much hair for me. But I do love how soft this wig is. It is very soft. I wouldn't be able to tell you about manageability because I'm not sure how much it tangles. I have seen other girls wear this and they said that it does tangle in the bottom, that you do have to comb through it and take care of it. And there is a spray for synthetic and real hair that I have yet to buy because, like I said, I'm new at doing all these things. I've been wearing wigs for quite some time, but I don't actually care for them the way they have care for them. I actually will wash mine with shampoo. I will let it soak in conditioner. I do it with lukewarm water, and then I take it out and I actually make sure that they're air dry in my shower. I try not to freak my husband out with hair hanging in the shower because it looks like heads hanging up there. But I try to do it overnight, that way in the morning if I want to throw them on, I can. Now, I do like, I mean, if you like this red color, it is red. I mean, there's a lot on the top as far as red, and I'm not really into this darkness with the red. I mean, if there was a lighter color with this red, maybe more of a blonde and a brown, kind of like my other wig, my what is that, the first one I had, the Hera wig. I like those combination of color. Actually, it wasn't as red as this, but it does have a lot of similar texture. But I love how flowy this wig is. Like, if I was going to a party, I might throw this on because this is wild. I like it. So this is this wig, Samara Girl. There are a lot of reviews on this, so I would check out some of the other ones that are on the website on YouTube here. There's some really good reviews. I know I have mentioned her before, but Muffin is my lover. She's got a good review on Samara Girl, and she actually does some really cool clipping in her hair to make it look more natural. I think she has it in the color 1B or 2, so you might want to see her. And there is another girl that has it in a lighter color, in a blonde color. I have yet to try blonde, but I would love to. It does shed. As I'm combing through it, I'm seeing a lot of shedding. There's, you know, let me get out of the way so you can actually see. You can see all that hair. It's in my face. But there is some shedding going on. But then again, like I said, I haven't worn this wig since I got it because of the color. I got the wrong color and I just didn't feel like shipping it back. But I got it from Hair Wig Harlem online, and I love that company. They do a great job. I literally sent out my order on, what was it, a Monday, and I got this by Wednesday. So they're great. They're great, 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 great company for you to be sending out to. Actually, I find that a lot of girls on this website actually do order through them. But there are tons of different companies that I'm trying to get into to see what they have and to offer. At some point, I would like to do an actual weave in my hair. I haven't braided my hair in a while, so I might be doing that sometime in the next few weeks and get myself into making my own weave. And maybe I'll do a review on that. So thank you so much for your time, and I hope this was helpful in the colors. If you're looking for color selection, like I said, this is in the F1B 32360. And it's a red, and it's a very dark, it looks like it's a 1 or a 1B. It says, F1B 32360, but it was just too dark for me. But definitely something to look into because of the style of this hair. Very nice, loose curl. And that's it. And you guys have a wonderful day again, and take care. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.